So our first measure of central tendency is what we call the mean. So first off, measures of central tendency. So that's exactly what it's actually saying. So where does it tend to centralize? So that's what we talk about when we refer to the term average. So the first one we're going to look at is what we call the arithmetic mean. It's the most common measure of central tendency, or where, again, it tends to centralize. Sometimes people will refer to it as just the mean without the arithmetic part, or they might say arithmetic mean, or they might say average. So this is not our only sort of term for average, but usually what people interpret as average. So our formula for computing mean is just adding everything up. So the sum of all of our data values divided by how many we have. So it's what we typically think of as average. So let's do a computational example of that. So here's our example. So compute the mean of the following data, which measures the time it takes to do an inspection of a piece of machinery in minutes. So our formula is above. So we have the mean is the sum over the number. So sum means add them all up. So we're going to do 9.6 plus 10.8 plus 10.0 plus 8.5, etc., etc. So add them all up. So 9.6, I'll just represent that a little bit here. So 9.6 plus 10.8 plus ... all the way up to our last data point, which is 11.5. And we're going to do that addition, and then we're going to divide by how many we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of information there. So when you plug that into your calculator, you should end up getting, for a numerator, 81.4. We'll divide it by 8 to get our average, or our arithmetic mean, of 10.175. And we do have a unit. That's in minutes. So on average, we can say that it took approximately 10.175 minutes to actually inspect a piece of machinery in this sort of realm. So again, that's what it means to be an arithmetic mean.